Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask in Nexus. First, ensure your MetaMask extension is installed and updated in your browser. Next, open the Nexus platform in the same browser where MetaMask is active. You will typically find a Connect Wallet button on the Nexus homepage or within your profile settings. Clicking this button initiates the connection sequence. This initial setup is crucial for seamless interaction with decentralized applications. Once you click Connect Wallet on Nexus, a MetaMask pop-up will appear, asking for your permission to connect. Carefully review the requested permissions before approving. It is important to select the appropriate network, such as Ethereum mainnet, within MetaMask if Nexus operates on a specific chain. Always double-check that the wallet address shown in Nexus matches your active MetaMask address to prevent errors. If you encounter connection issues, a common solution is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try again. Always verify that your MetaMask wallet is unlocked and actively logged in before attempting to connect. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Nexus page or restarting your browser can resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, check Nexus's official documentation or community forums for specific troubleshooting steps. Security is paramount when connecting your wallet. Always double-check that you are on the official Nexus website to avoid phishing scams. Never, under any circumstances, share your MetaMask seed phrase or private keys with anyone. They are for your eyes only. Remember to disconnect your wallet from Nexus when you are finished using the platform. For more great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.